Maintaining textile machinery is crucial for seamless garment production, but frequent issues can cause costly downtime. Needle and thread breakage, skipped stitches, and thread jamming are common problems due to improper threading, tension settings, and dust buildup. With Cryotos maintenance software, preventive maintenance schedules ensure proper threading practices and tension adjustments, minimizing breakages. Regular cleaning schedules also prevent thread jams. Fabric feeding problems and excessive noise can result from misaligned presser feet, worn feed dogs, or inadequate lubrication. Cryotos help track these incidents and schedule regular calibration, leveling, and lubrication practices, ensuring optimal performance. Mechanical wear and alignment issues can lead to inaccurate cuts and uneven thread spools. Cryotos leverages historical data to identify high-wear components and automate calibration checks, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. With Cryotos mobile app, maintenance teams can easily access schedules, log issues, and perform tasks from anywhere on the factory floor. When sewing machines break down, tracking them can be a challenge. Cryotos Maintenance for Garments Manufacturing offers asset utilization features that track equipment from the moment of breakdown until it's back in operation. Cryotos tracks employee efficiency by monitoring parameters such as the number of work orders closed on time, wrench time, and administrative time, providing insights to optimize workforce management. Optimize your textile machinery maintenance with Cryotos. Efficient, reliable, productive,